Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to react to a pin in a group on the Pinterest app for PC, following the latest update. This new feature lets you quickly share your thoughts or feelings about a pin with your group members, making your interactions more fun and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options there, and one of them is Messages. Click on it to access all your group chats and conversations. Next, find the group where you want to react to a pin. Groups on Pinterest are a great way to collaborate and share ideas with friends, family, or colleagues. Once you see the group in the message list, click on it to open the conversation. In your group chat, you'll see all the pins that have been shared. Now, here's the new part. To react to a particular pin, move your mouse cursor over the pin, and when you do, a small react icon will appear. This is usually a smiley face or some kind of reaction symbol. Go ahead and click on that react icon. A small palette of reaction options will show up right there on the pin. From emojis expressing love, laughter, surprise, or thumbs up, you can choose the one that best matches how you feel about the pin. Click on your chosen reaction, and instantly, it will be added right on the pin in your group chat. Everyone in the group will be able to see it, so it's a simple and fun way to engage with the content without even having to write a message. That's it. Reacting to pins in group chats on Pinterest's PC app is easy, quick, and makes sharing ideas even more interactive. So next time you're collaborating or just having fun with your Pinterest group, don't forget to show your reactions. Thanks for watching.